My name is Sushmita.
I'm Sam,
Broadcasting live from Global TV Bollywood Studio, India.
live from Global TV London studio. You are watching Global TV Philippines
I'm so excited to join you. Catch me soon on the Rapporteur News with
Isabel
Isabel Fernandez and Chino
Hansel
Hansel
Filyan.
Together, let's unite the universe with substance by bringing news you can trust. Until then.
See you.
Yun. Hello, guys. Hello. Ayan, can you hear me? Ayan, palakpakan naman tayo. Yan. So, ayan, good afternoon. Have good Saturday right now. Welcome again to another GSH Chats live. Yan. Okay. Narinig ba ako na lahat? Okay ba? Ayan, sorry, nakasumbong. Ayan. Alright, so, kamusta po lahat? Ayan, So, medyo gumaganda na yung audio ko, no, compared before, no, kasi meron na akong sound card. Ayan. Yun, no? Diba? So, thank you again sa aking sponsor. Ayan, sa sound card na to. Thank you. Alright, so, ayan, pansin nyo. Okay. Wala akong guest na yun. Okay, wala akong guest na yun. Kasi supposed to be may guest ako. But unfortunately busy sila. But okay lang. It's okay. Because siguro mas maganda rin minsan mag-solo din no. 'Di ba? But yeah. Sorry guys, wala akong yan. Okay. Pero hindi. Right now, yan. Another awesome Saturday right now. Another awesome episode. Medyo, again, serious tayo but at the same time informative. Okay? So, ang topic natin for today is, why do I need life insurance? Ay, mali. Okay. Kala ko. Mali pinto. Sorry guys. First akong meeting kasi yung sound card eh. Okay. So, again, life insurance. Yeah. Okay. So, sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, ako po ay isang financial advisor na. Okay? Yan. So, hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin kung anong company. Okay, kasi may kailangan pa ayusin, but I can still, talk to clients, help clients to help them with a brighter future. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So yan, of course. Okay, wait lang guys, Of course, I'd like to thank you again to these awesome media partners. Without them, hindi po maging posible ang GSH Chats Live. Alright? Okay, so first, ayan, asa yung script ko. Thank you again to AKTV or Ako at Ankalikasan TV. Yeah, thank you. Thank you to also to Red Cloud Interactive. Alright? Ayan, thank you to Action Kalikasan. Yeah. Alright. Thank you also to the Green Party of the Philippines. Ayan. And thank you as well to Edge TV. And of course, lahat po ng shows ng AKTV is streamed live as well, through Global Network TV Asia. Ayan, worldwide na tayo, no? Alright. So again, thank you. Especially sa aking technical director, ang aking gwapong ayan, kaibigan, si Papi David D'Angelo. Okay. Sangkis sa'yo, Papi David. Alright. So again, guys, I'm here to help by doing this first ever solo discussion, no, with my live stream GSH Chats Live. Okay, and then later, ayan, may announcement ako, no, dahil nga financial advisor ako na right now, and ayan, gustong tumulong. So shoutout muna tayo sa mga viewers. Hello kay KZ Joy Bailon Dalagan and JP De La Cruz. Welcome to live stream. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Again, guys, pag may kayong feedback, questions or comment, yan, or questions, comment lang kayo down below there. Alright? Yan na, type lang kayo. Okay, type lang ha, pag may question kayo. Alright, so, ayan. Let us start. Okay, meron akong munting simpleng slideshow presentation para may script ako, di ba? Kasi pag walang script. Okay, here we go. Let's show them Papi David. So, while waiting, ito, meron tayong intro. Yan, okay. So, again, sa mga kaka-tune in lang, okay. Okay lang, Papi David. Yan. Sa kaka-tune in lang, again, welcome to GSH Chats Live with your host, Greek Superhero, and solo flight tayo na yun, di ba? Ayan, okay lang. Ayan. Para, gusto ko din ma-experience na mag-discuss ng topic, no? O, di ba? Para for a change, di ba? But, sige, while waiting for my PowerPoint, next Saturday, ayan, ibabalik natin sa mga aking also one of my good friends as well. He's a DC fanatic, okay, and a DC geek ka nga. Ayan, si Papi Mike Dulce. Ayan, so, ayan, i-confirm ko, but yeah, that will be next Saturday, no? Okay, here we go. Okay, ayan, may slideshow, ayan. Alright. Thank you, Papi David. Okay. Alright, so right now, again, as a financial advisor, I'm here to discuss, no, sa mga hindi pa rin familiar sa insurance, especially life and health insurance, okay? Kasi nga, I really want to do this topic ng financial planning, and I want everyone po to be fully aware bakit ba talaga kailangan natin ng insurance, lalo na sa panahon na to, di ba? Kasi again, we are in a financial and health crisis. No, again, this is the perfect time pa rin, no, to get an insurance. Okay? Next slide, please, Papi David. Yan. So, eto na, nung nabasa ko to a few days ago, this is by Jack Ma, no? Grabe si Jack Ma. Of course, we know him as one of the billionaires, no, worldwide and in Asia. Siya yung sa mga mayayaman sa Asia right now. No? So, imagine mo, he believes in insurance. So, he told on his, yung sa quote na to by Jack Ma, buying insurance cannot change your life, but it prevents your lifestyle being changed. An illness can wipe an entire family savings that they save for decades through medical bills, which is true. And sabi niya, you will not turn bankrupt because of buying insurance, but you will cause your loved ones to turn bankrupt if you don't. Diba? Tama naman, diba? That's really true. Next slide, please. Okay. So, ano ba ang, again, the term insurance? An insurance is the foundation of your plan for a secured, see, that's the main word, keyword, secured financial future. Next. An insurance, it helps protect, keyword, protect your finances when you're faced with health challenges and helps safeguard your family's quality of life after you're gone. Next, please. Okay. So there are two types of insurance lang po, no? Okay? There are life insurance, of course. So life insurance helps protect the financial security of the people who matter most should something happen to you. Okay? Ayan, so ayan, okay. Oh, parang nag-skip. Okay. Tama ba? Okay. Sige, Papi Dave, okay lang. Go ahead. Ayan. Okay. Okay lang. Go ahead. Forward lang, forward lang. Okay. So, there are two types of life insurance. Meron tayong term life insurance. These are the policies that are temporary and provide death benefits only. And another one is permanent life insurance. These are the policies provide death benefit coverage immediately plus build up cash value over time. So one of the examples of a permanent or whole life insurance is a variable universal life insurance, okay, or VUL. So explain ko ano yung VUL. Next slide, please. Okay, so what is VUL insurance? VUL insurance is a form of cash value life insurance that offers both a death benefit and an investment feature. Next. And it is basically a type of insurance bundled with an investment component. So you're insured, but you can also have the option to invest your money. It's ideal because you get the best of both worlds. Next, please. Okay, so in case of financial emergencies po, ladies and gentlemen, one great feature of VUL is its liquidity. Sorry. So you can still access your funds in times of need. And unlike traditional life insurance policies, this is treated as a withdrawal and not a loan. Okay? So, dito po sa VUL, may makilala po ako, or majority na po, they are getting this kind of insurance. Okay? Next, please. Okay. So next is, di ba, merong life insurance, meron health insurance. Okay. Now, health insurance protects you and your family from the financial impact of illness, accidents, and disability. Next. Ayan. Po. So there are four types of health insurance po, no, ladies and gentlemen. They are, ayan, meron tayong personal health insurance. It helps pay for health expenses such as prescription drugs, dental, and vision care. So this is po, this is HMO, no? HMO card, no? HMO insurance. Okay. Kasama din dyan natin yung PhilHealth insurance. Next, please. So critical illness insurance helps pay the costs associated with surviving a life-altering illness. Okay. Next, please. Long-term care insurance helps cover the cost when you require substantial assistance from others due to your diminished physical or mental abilities. And the last type of health insurance, and disability insurance helps protect your income if you become disabled and can't work. So yan po, yan ang apat na uri po ng health insurance. Next slide, please. Okay, so let's see po. Let's be real right now, no? Let's be serious right now. Ano ba ang cost po talaga of being critically ill. So I'll give you examples po, yung mga top diseases po, no, o yung mga diseases na or medical conditions na mahal po ang gastusin. Ito po sila. So first is cancer. And of course, any type of cancer po, no, usually a medication plus 'di ba yung sa ano pa sa pag-hospital, it costs po 5.8 million pesos po, no? Ano pa yan, mga type, usually type, it depends on the type, no, type 1, 2 or 3 or 4. Next is stroke. So ayan, stroke po, of course yung paggamutan and everything, it costs 3 million pesos ang gastos sa kanya. Next is heart attack. Ayan. It costs 2 million pesos po, no? For the medication, hospitalization. Kidney disease, ayan, 2.5 million pesos naman po ng cost. Okay? And the last one is, I believe, diabetes. Ayan. So, nasa 1 million pesos po ang paggastos po. Okay, ng isang Pilipinong may diabetes. Okay? So, imagine guys, no? Ganyan po kamahal, no? Ang mga pag tayo may na nagka-cancer tayo, nagka-stroke tayo, heart attack, kidney disease, or diabetes. Okay? So, okay, next slide please. Okay, so, ito yung magandang tanong who will cover yung mga gastusin po, no? Pag tayo nagkasakit, lalo sa pinakita ko pong examples. Okay, so, first one is, okay, syempre, personal savings. Okay, totoo po, may mga kilala ako ng mga tao na pagtabi, no, from their income or salary or, for example, business, okay, na pang-emergency, ang mga katulad niya. Kasi for example, pag alam mo na na-diagnose ka before ng cancer or diabetes, siyempre, magtatabi kasi alam mo ng mahalang gamot, di ba? Mahalang pa-hospital, mahalang pa-check-up. Pero ang tanong dyan is it enough to cover, for example, ayan, di ba, kayo na, yung diabetes is 1 million. Okay, kung nakatabi ka ng at least 200,000, kulang pa rin siya. That 200,000 pesos po natabi mo for medication yan. Alone, I think that's for medication alone pa lang yan, di ba? Pag may diabetes, no? Next is, ayan, HMO plan. So, dito po sa Pilipinas, average coverage of a person who has HMO is 150,000 per year. Actually, meron pang ibang companies naman, private companies, they're offering per employee 300,000 per year. So, pwede na. For example, going back, okay, may diabetes ka, you have 200,000 already saved from your savings, plus alam mo may HMO plan ka, no? HMO card. So, for example, may 300,000 coverage ka, which is good. So, not bad, 500,000 na. Okay, next. Ayan, donation. Yan, usually, di ba, families, friend, or charities, di ba? Or usually, friends or families, syempre magbibigay sila. Okay. But, the question is, will some of your family or friends will donate or give you money para panggamot mo? Okay. May mga magbibigay, di ba? Pero minsan, di ba, syempre, mahihiya or wala din pera. So, for me personally, if your family or friends will give you money for your medication, pang hospital mo, which is good, okay? So, but, ilan lang yan. Sabi mo na maximum 20,000, di ba? Swerte mo kung 20,000 or 10,000 bigay sa'yo. But still, going back with your savings and HMO, you have only have 500,000 pesos, no? Next, please. Yan. Ito maganda. Now, if you have a health insurance, again, this is different from HMO, okay? So, if you're covered, okay, so usually lump sum mo is 1 million, 2 million, or depende pa sa kinuha mong coverage, no, with the health insurance. No, pag meron kang health insurance with HMO, for sure covered ka. Or for example, if you know someone who is has a heart disease, 'di ba, or may kidney disease, na alam mong may health insurance ng taong to with the HMO, okay? Maganda 'yan kasi hindi magagalaw yung savings ng taong 'yan. Kasi sayang din, for example, nakatabi siyang 200,000 or 300,000 pesos, no, from his income. But it will take him it took him for sure 1 to 2 years or more than that, no, for him to save enough money para in case ma-hospital siya kasi alam niya may sakit siya, no. But knowing that person, may HMO siya and health insurance, tingin mo, maganda yung feeling po, no, na alam mong, may health insurance pala ako with this insurance company, na alam kong in this type of emergency talaga na I'll be hospitalized, o kaya kailangan ko ng gamot, no, mas nakita mong coverage mo is 1 million, 2 million, which is very, very enough for you to be covered. So, yung HMO mo, pwedeng ipagamit mo sa another checkup or something kasi alam mo, meron kang health insurance. Which is the good part. This is one of the best benefits of having health insurance. No? Okay. Next, please. Ayan. So, ang life insurance po, going back, it can be designed and customized based on these things. Of course, your priority. Ano ma priority mo? Bakit ka kukuha ng life insurance? Okay? We'll dive into that later on the later slides. Next, please. Budget. Ayan, of course. Ako as a financial advisor, if I talk to clients, isa sa mga important questions tanongin ko, if they're planning to get a life insurance or health insurance, I will ask them for their budget. Kasi bakit? I know we're in a financial crisis right now, no? May mga natanggal, unfortunately natanggal sa trabaho, iba naman nabawasan ng sweldo. So, if I speak to a client or a friend who is planning to get, an insurance from me or from the company that I'm representing right now, I want to make sure na kaya niya, kasi alam kong gusto niya ma-covered and he or she wants his or her family to not to worry in the future. Okay, so I will definitely ask him or her, ano pong budget niyo po? Okay, how much are you willing to set aside from your current cash flow, okay, or source of income for your future to be secured, or for if something happens to you, kailangan mo ng ng insurance for it's either health or life insurance, no? Based from his or her budget, ayan, for sure po, we'll meet in the middle, no? Para po ma-covered yung taong to, no? He has this, yung kanyang ease, ika nga, no? Na meron siyang life or health insurance para that means hindi niya gustong pahirapin yung family niya, no? Next, please. Ayan, desired benefits. Ayan, going back, 'di ba? For example, gusto ng client ng life insurance with investment or yung VUL. Kasi 'di ba po ang VUL or variable universal life insurance, meron ka ditong investment, no? So, I will if a client would like to get a VUL from the insurance company, of course, I will ask him or her, ano pong gusto niyo mong benefit with this life or health insurance? Do you want me to add this kind of benefit? For example, ayan, yung gusto mong withdraw ba after 5 or 10 years, di ba? Siyempre, magtatabi ka ng pera for your insurance, so you're covered, no? And at the same time, since kinuha mo VUL, okay na, with na insurance, for sure, after 5, 10, or pag-retire mo po, you will get enough money, for you to retire or for your future business or gusto mong bumili ng bahay. It's up on that. That actually is connected with the priority or the goals, no? Which is again next Papi David. Ayan yung goals mo. So ayan So each client po has his or her own priority, budget, ayan, desired benefits, and then goals. Now from there, malalaman ko po yung insurance product na babagay sa client, no? Hindi basta para bang 'di ba po ang financial advisor is like a doctor, hindi ka basta-basta magsasabi na ay eto po kunin niyo. Okay? Para itong gamot na to. No. I will ask the client na anong po ang priority nyo, anong budget nyo, anong desired benefits nyo, and anong goals nyo in getting a life or health insurance. No? That simple lang naman. Okay? Next, please. Ayan. So, let's face the truth about life insurance. So, life insurance gets more expensive as you get older. Totoo po yan no? Lalo pag nasa 30s, 40s ka na, compared po sa mga nasa 20s, no? mapapansin po talaga nyo, if you're familiar already, if you have your own life insurance or insurance coverage, mapapansin nyo yung premium nyo po, pag kayo po'y tumanda, okay, mas mamahal po yung premium nyo, annual or quarterly, semi-annual, compared to those those are the 20s, mas mura po. Okay? Kasi nga po, sa rates yan eh. May kinalaman po dyan din yung mortality rate. Okay? Next please. Copy Dave. Next please. Ayan. So, totoo po to, not everyone is insurable. Bakit? Bakit Sir PJ, hindi lahat ay insurable? Okay, kasi again, going back, may kinalaman din to sa, sa medical conditions. Now, for example lang naman, kasi, di ba, if you have a pre-existing medical condition, okay, na medyo seryoso, parang ganon, okay, may possibility po na hindi ka mako-cover o hindi ka ma-insured. Okay? I'm not saying not all, but again, this is a situation based, no, na decision of course, no. But again, yung nga po, this is the truth, not everyone is insurable talaga. Okay? That's for my own experience. And lastly, okay, you must get it at a time when you don't need it yet, hoping that you won't need it ever. Totoo yan eh. Okay, so, for example, alam mo yung time na yan, which is today, dapat, di ba? Di ba? Alam mong di mo pa kailangan na yon, but, hoping nga, di ba? You won't need it ever. But at the same time, if you want to get a life insurance today, you are thinking of your loved ones, di ba? Ayaw mo silang pahirapin, di ba? Pahirapan in the future. Again, if something happens to you. Huh? Next, please. Okay. So what is the importance of life insurance? Okay, next. Okay. So based from this picture, no, alam for example, you are kayo po yung kulay red na tao. You are the provider or of the family. Now you, for example, are married, so you and your wife or you and your spouse, may kids kayo, no? If you combined, okay, your monthly income, ayan, makakabayad kayo ng daily expenses, tuition fees ng bata, ng anak nyo, loans, ayan, mga bills, utility bills, house rent, and medical expenses. Now, what will happen if wala kang life insurance at bigla kang namatay? Ito po, next slide. So, yung mangyayari sa family mo, yung asawa mo po na may iwan sa yung mga anak mo. Okay, for example, they're both in grade school, no, or preschool. Okay. So, mahihirapan po yung spouse nyo kasi hindi po kayo kumuha ng life insurance. So, lahat ng gastusin po nyo before, okay, mapupunta po yung lahat yan, yung responsibility sa asawa nyo. And then, kawawa po ang mga anak nyo kasi baka hindi na po sila makakapagtapos ng pag-aaral nila. Okay, if you don't have life insurance. But, that can change with this next picture. Now, if you die with life insurance, ayan po, meron pong malaking dyan eh. Sabi nyo, imagine po, yung life insurance nyo, nakatabihan sa family nyo. Okay? So, tutulong yung life insurance po sa asawa nyo at sa mga anak nyo. Kasi nga, wala na kayo, but you got a life insurance, okay, right now, you will, in the future, if something happens to you, if you'll die from natural causes or by accident, no, yung family niyo po, wala pong silang poproblemahin. Kasi nga, alam nilang meron ka palang life insurance with this X amount, no? Na for sure po, no, yung lifestyle niyo po, nung buhay po kayo, okay, and then, pag namatay kayo and then you have life insurance, the lifestyle that you had with your family will be the same kasi may life insurance ka. Okay? So, yung benefits doon, no, ng life insurance will go to your loved ones or your beneficiaries. So, ganun po talaga importante ang life insurance. Your family is protected and will continue their lifestyle kahit wala na po kayo. No? Okay, next slide please. Okay. So there are two major risks in life that may hinder cash flow. First is dying too soon. Ayan. And then the other one is, I think it's living too long. Okay, so explain natin po. When you say dying too soon, ayan, ito yung mga questions. Next slide please, Happy Dave. Ayan. So, first question that you need to ask yourself, can my family continue to live normally and afford all the daily expenses I left behind? Diba? Isipin yun, ba? For example, okay, alam mong meron ka ng malubang sakit. Okay, nasabi na si doktor na you have this number of days or months to live, and you know anytime soon you will leave this earth. Now, you have to ask yourself right now, kaya ba ng pamilya ko tumuloy na maging normal ang buhay nila, and kaya ba nilang i-afford pa rin yung you know, the daily expenses or the lifestyle family na maiiwan ko? Okay, ask yourself right now right about that. Next question. Next please, Papa Dave. So, eto, po natin to. Can my family or my spouse settle all my debts? Yung mga utang. Ayan. Siyempre naman, di ba tayo, kung tayo nabubuhay, meron tayong mga utang-utang, like credit cards, mga loans, mga bank loans. Now, ask yourself na, ano mangyayari sa mga utang ko at kaya bang bayaran to ng pamilya ko o ng asawa ko? Okay? Next question, next please. Ayan, ito, very important. If you have kids right now, if you have kids who are studying right now, no? Can my kids still go to school or graduate? Ayan, basta pa. Lalo na yun, for example, yung mga anak mo nasa grade school, high school, or college, if something happens to you right now or tomorrow, at alam mo naka-enroll na yung mga anak mo, paano yung mga susunod na enrollment nila? Paano sila ka-graduate ng school pag wala ka na? Okay? Ano namang wala kang life insurance? Okay, next, please. Ayan, living too long. Ayan, ito yung mga questions naman eh. Ito, will I be able to afford my living expenses after I retire? Ito na. Ito yung question na, okay, sige, kaya pang mabuhay until I retire, no? Once I retire until 60, 65, no? Ang question dyan na magre-retire na is, or for example, mag-retire ka na in the next 10 to 20 years, you have to ask yourself, kaya ko ba i-afford yung mga expenses ko pag nag-retire ako? Diba? Okay, kasi you should base with your income, okay, yung salary mo, no? Kaya mo magtabi, mag-save enough? Yun nga, that's the question. Can you save enough once you retire? Etong savings mo ba, kaya ba tong, for example, after 10 years, nakaipon ka ng 1 million, sa tingin mo ba, kaya yung 1 million in after 10 years, is that enough once you retire? Diba? Next, please. Ayan, who will take care of me? Ayan, siyempre, pag retire mo, for example naman, matanda ka na, di ba? Asawa mo, matanda ka rin. O for example, yung asawa mo namatay. For example naman po, ang tanong dyan is, who will take care of you? Pwede yung kids mo, but you have to think, your kids, once you will retire or grow old, some of them, or one of them, will take care of you. Pero eventually, your kids will need to have their own family, kailangan they have to live their life, di ba? So, di ba? Unless they can, give you a nurse or something like that. But, depende pa yan, di ba? But, you have to ask yourself, sino mag-aalaga sa akin? Parang retire na ako o pag tumanda na ako. Diba? Next. Ayan. So, ito. Have I saved enough and will not depend on my children's income? Ayan, going back to the first question, no? So, ayan, yung 1 million mo ba, going back na naipon mo for 10 years, enough ba yon para ma-support mo sarili mo, mga gastusin mo araw-araw, na hindi mo kailangan hiningi yung anak mo? Siyempre, pag may anak ka na, pag tumanda yung anak mo, nagkapamilya din yan, aasa ka ba? I mean, yung tinabi mong pera ba, that's enough ba para hindi ka humingi sa anak mo? Di ba? May ganun din ng questions. Diba? That's a real question eh. Okay? Next, please. Okay? So hopefully guys, you are learning, you know, until I go along. Okay? Okay, ito yung questions naman. Usually one of the top questions that clients will ask a financial advisor, especially if getting a life insurance. I mean, Mr. Financial Advisor, will I only get my benefits when I die? Mr. Client or Miss Client, the answer is actually no. Okay, why? Okay, explain ko po. Okay, so these are the benefits that you can avail in your life insurance if you decide to get one right now. Okay, ito po. Ayan, critical illness benefit. Yes, totoo po yan. In what? Okay. Ayan. So, critical illness benefit, meaning, ito yung parang hospitalization benefit. Okay? Or, for example nga po, no, if your family has a medical history of diabetes, heart attack, kidney or liver, this something like that. So these are some of the major critical illnesses. So ang maganda po sa insurance company po na represent ko, okay? Kahit kumuha ng life insurance, meron pong additional benefit which is the critical illness benefit, which will help you po, with your expenses. Pag kayo po ay na-diagnose, not pre-existing but diagnose of any critical illness benefit. So maganda po yan, pwedeng i-add yan. Yes, next please. Ayan, mag-shout out muna ako. Sir Jerry Bolante, isang magandang hapon po, napakaganda po ng topic ngayon about life. Thank you so much. Ayan, thank you Sir Jerry. Ayan. Next is, accidental benefit. Yes, pwede po yan i-add po as a benefit in your life insurance. Again, for example, kayo po ay nagmomotor, okay? Or nagko-commute. And then something happens to you na aksidente. Okay? For example, nabulag kayo, or naputulan kayo ng kamay o paa, whatever. Basta any accident po, no? The life insurance product that I'm offering right now, okay, with the insurance company, of course, I'm presenting, we can add an accidental benefit for you. Okay. Maganda po to sa mga, again, nagmomotor, may kotse, kahit nagko-commute. Pwede po namin kayong ibigyan ng itong additional accidental benefit. Okay. Next benefit. Permanent disability benefit. Okay. For example, due to accident, na-disabled kayo. Okay. Permanently. Okay. So, ang magandang benefit dito, no? With the life insurance, if you have this benefit added to your insurance policy. Now, if you're permanently disabled po, posible pong yung premium po binabayad, i-waive po yan ng insurance company. No? Kasi nga, disabled ka na, hindi ka makapagbayad. So, the good thing about that benefit po, if you will add that to your life insurance right now, okay, possible po, ma-waive po yung inyong annual or quarterly premium. Yung premium po, yung bayad nyo sa insurance. No? And then, fully paid siya, but you are still insured. Diba? Kaganda. Diba? Maganda po yun, diba? Okay, next benefit. I think, ayan. Retirement funds. Oh, sorry, sabay. So, retirement funds, ayan. Going back to VUL. So, the VUL or the Variable Universal Life Insurance can give you that benefit. Again, kasi nag-invest ka nga, di ba? You have insurance, and then meron kang investment. Okay? For example, mutual funds, stocks, equities, yan. Okay. So, you can use that, yung kinikita nyo po on the investment side of the life insurance or the VUL insurance, no? 5 years, 10 years, or pag nag-retire kayo at age of 55, 60, pag nakita yung medyo malaki na, at ito yung for you is, okay na ako dito. So I can retire earlier, age 55 or 60 or 65. Kasi makita nyo po sa policy nyo na, uy, maganda yung performance ng aking investment sa aking VUL, life insurance. And then, pag nag-retire ako, uy, I can withdraw this X amount and surely, that will be my retirement funds. Diba? Pwede na ako yung mag-Boracay diba? For a year. Okay? And next is daily hospital income benefit. Meron po yan sa health insurance po na ino-offer ko right now. Yes. On top of your health insurance coverage, we can also add accidental benefit. Kasi automatic po pag health insurance po ninyo, automatic po, covered po yung major and minor critical illnesses. Okay? On top of that, we can also add a daily hospital income benefit. For example po, very good example, okay, nawala kang trabaho, itong COVID. Okay, syempre, pag wala kang trabaho, wala na po si HMO nyo, no? May free health pa naman, which is good, but ilang magkano lang yan. But you remembered, you got a health insurance from me. Uy, naalala ko, may health insurance ako kay Sir PJ, ang aking financial advisor. At naalala mo, sa health insurance na yan, naglagay po tayo ng daily hospital income benefit. Imagine po, kahit po kayo nasa ICU or kahit ano po kayo nasa yung semi-private or private room, you are still getting a hospital income benefit from the insurance company. O, di ba? So, sagot po, covered pa rin or maka-cover pa rin or mababayad pa rin yung mga gastusin nyo sa inyong pag na-hospital po kayo, no? So depends po yan may mga medyo malaki naman per day, no? But if you will again want to know more pala, promote ko na po we can have a free one-on-one financial consultation po. Nalimutan ko i-plug. So if you want to know more about these benefits po, yan, after the program, I'll give out later my details po para you can contact me. Okay, but again, these are the best benefits you can get with your life and health insurance. No? Okay, next please. Ato pa. Ito din tinatanong sa akin ng mga kakilala ko. Sir PJ o Brother PJ, kailan po talaga or what is the right time to buy a life or health insurance? Ang sagot ko dyan ay today. Ngayon na. Ba't ka maghihintay pa next year or next month, di ba? Okay. May nakita akong quote Actually, I saw this yesterday sa Google. Ito yung quote nakita ko. The younger you are, assuming you're healthy, the less expensive the life insurance is going to be. Again, di ba? So, gusto kong ding i-reiterate na habang bata ka pa, at ikaw ay healthy, wala kang sakit. Okay, so far. Right? So, mas mura ang pagkuha ng life insurance or health insurance. Compare mo yung pagkukuha ba next year or for the next 2-3 years. Okay? So, ganun ang difference na. Okay? Next, please. Okay. I want to ask all of you right now. So if you can comment, good. Okay? O kahit sa replay lang, you can comment. Among your several life goals, kasi of course, we have lots of life goals right now, no? In our age. Ano ba talaga ang priority mo? So, ito yung top 5. Okay? I want you to answer. Okay? First is, education ng mga kids mo. Your kids, that's not you. Your kids' education. Next priority. Ang priority mo ba ay health? Is that your main priority right now? Or is your priority right now? Next, please. Income protection. Or ang priority mo ba right now is? Next, please. Dream house. Diba? Yung priority mo na yan? Or is your priority retirement? Diba? So, think right now, among these top priorities, ano ba dito ang priority mo for your life goals? Diba? I want you to answer that. Not now, but sa replay sana, if you can comment later sa replay. No? So, Ako sa akin, personally, it's my daughter's education. Yun ang number one priority ko right now. Diba? Kasi why? Retirement can be soon, dream house can be soon, health, pwede naman dyan, okay? And health income protection. Pero pala, guys ang pagkuha po ng life or health insurance po, wala pong limit. Kahit po maglima ka dyan, okay? Kasi for example, 5 ang priority mo. O di ko kang tig-iisang life and health insurance. O, diba? As long as kaya mo po, 'di ba? Sabi ko, again, there's no limit in getting a life or health insurance policy. Totoo po yan. Pwede pong unlimited yan, okay? But yes, but seriously, you can get 5 different life and health insurances if you have all of these as your priorities, no? Or pwede rin isang insurance policy, 2 o 3 priority po. Kayang-kaya po niyang i-covered, no? Yung priority mo. Okay? Which is good. Okay, next please. Okay, sa mga millennials dyan, kasi yan number one, isang tanong no? Bakit, as a millennial, bakit nyo kailangan na yun ng life insurance? Ito yung pang ko sa inyo, pang sagot sa inyo. Hindi ka bulletproof. Hindi po kayo si Superman, ha? Hindi po kayo si Captain Marvel, you're not Spider-Man, you're not a superhero, you're not bulletproof. Okay? To the kahit di millennial, you are not bulletproof. Okay? Next. Insurance for millennials is cheaper now. Sabi ko, habang bata ka pa, habang healthy ka pa, you must get a life insurance right now or health insurance right now. Okay? Habang may trabaho ka pa. Diba? Swerte mo habang may trabaho ka pa right now sa ganitong crisis, diba? So, as long if you're right now earning money, okay, I want to share shout out sa pinsan ko, okay, pinsan ko yan, you are pinsan, okay, kahapon nag-usap kami, no, about this financial planning. Millennial po siya, he's about 28 years old right now, so he's part of the millennial age, no. Imagine po he's working right now in a call center. And yesterday, he decided to get a life insurance and possible health insurance from me. So because po, he's thinking of his future. He's thinking of his family. No? Ayan siya. So priority niya kasi is health and life. Diba? So again, kudos to you, pinsan. Thank you again for your time yesterday. You know who you are. Okay? Next please. Ayan. So yan. So sabi nga, while you're young and healthy. Okay? Importante yan, mga millennials. Okay? And last but not least, ayan. So, let us avoid being a financial burden to our family or to our parents. Di ba, masarap ang feeling pag ang parents mo ay, hindi ka na humihingi sa kanila. Or, in the future, you won't need to ask them for money. Diba? For example, you are 21, 22 right now, 23, you are working, no? And then, syempre, kaka-start mo lang, okay, 1 year ka, 2 years ka na sa work mo, okay, so malaki sweldo mo naman, so isipin mo naman, if you get a life insurance right now or health insurance, and then something happens to you, magkasakit ka, kailangan mo hospital, tapos, eto pa, breadwinner ka pa. So, alam mong yung parents mo, possibly walang work, or walang business, or ganyan, di ba? Sila, ito, especially sa mga breadwinners, sila umaasa sa'yo. Diba? Your family depends on you as a breadwinner. So, if you have a life or health insurance right now, okay, and then, yun nga, magkasakit ka, may mangyari sa'yo, na-aksidente ka, tapos, alam mong meron kang life or health insurance, so, yung parents mo, hindi mahihirapan sa'yo, financially. Di ba? Hindi sila mag-stress out sa'yo kasi alam nilang may life or health insurance ka. So, alam mo yung, they will just visit you at the hospital. For example, na-aksidente ka, or nagkasakit ka, na maluba, no? And then, you remember na meron kang life health insurance coverage, di ba? So, imagine mo, hindi sila magagalit sa'yo. hindi sila ganong iiyak. Diba? Knowing you are financially secured because meron kang health or life insurance. Diba? Yun ang point ko naman sa mga millennial. Okay, hindi ka millennial. Diba? So, if you read this, ayan, medyo, you will get it naman. Diba? You get my point. No? Okay. I think, next slide please, Papi David. Yung tubig. Ayan. May nabasa din ako kahapon, no? Quotes. This is one of the best financial planners or financial planners, no? If you know him, Sir Randall Johnson. Okay? Ang sabi ni Sir Randall, by the time people realize they need life insurance, it may be too late to get one. Kasi, di ba, marami pa rin dyan na hindi naniniwala sa life insurance eh. For those people who are still negative of life insurance, I want you guys to read this quote. This quote. Okay. Kita yung tao sa picture, di ba? Stress siya, umiyak siya. No? Okay. So, I want for you guys to really read this and hopefully po, you will put this in your heart. No? Okay. Right now, nasa COVID tayo, di ba? COVID-19, health and financial crisis. Alam niyo po, this is the perfect time to get a life or health insurance. Bakit po? Okay? Di ba po, hindi tayo bulletproof. Makakasakit po tayo. Kaya hindi tayo magka-COVID. Okay? So, going back, getting a life or health insurance right now po. Today, as in today, don't say tomorrow, next week, next month. Today. Kasi why? I also remember the quote, a very powerful quote. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Again, do something today that your future self will thank you for it. Ayun pa. Tama? I think that's the right quote. So, starting now, I hope everyone po realizes why do you need a life or health insurance? Diba? Ang goal ko po is for everyone to have a financial secured future. Gusto ko po yung pamilya nyo, okay, hindi po mahirapan. Okay, financially especially. Gusto ko rin po yung pamilya nyo o yung mga anak nyo, di ba, paglaki nila, for example, anak kayo, di ba? May life insurance kayo. So, yung mga anak nyo po, paglaki nila, hindi po sila mahirapan sa kanilang future kasi they know that you got an insurance. Okay. And then, yung kanilang future po, your kids' future, okay, will be secured as well. Financially secured. Lalo yung dami nakita na yung mga sa Facebook, yung mga new parents, yung mga may babies, ayan. Okay. Congrats po sa mga kumuha ng life insurance. But sa mga hindi po kumukuha, again, think of your child right now, your baby, your first-year-old or newborn baby or 2 years old or 6 or 7, before mag 10 years old, before mag 12. Okay. Think of them right now. Imagine nyo po 10, 20 years from now. Think of your kids, ha? Imagine 10, 20 years from now. Kung wala kayong life insurance, isipin nyo, ano po mangyayari sa kanila 10 to 20 years from now? Sa tingin nyo po. Diba? Or to your spouse. Think of your spouse. Or if you are a single person, ikaw yung breadwinner, think of your parents. Diba? Gusto mo bang ang mga loved ones mo mahirapan, financially speaking, or pwede rin emotionally speaking, kasi wala kang naiwan man lang sa kanila. Diba? Pag namatay ka. Diba? Wala kang mahirapan sila sa gastusin, mga gastusin mo na naiiwan mo, di ba? Alright? So, if you decided right now, today, okay, this moment, this minute, to get a life and health insurance, I will definitely help you. Again, my goal, my aim, my mission as a financial advisor is for you and your family to have a financially and bright future ahead. Okay? Paano po? How can you contact me? Papi Dave, show last slide. Ayan. Papi Dave, yan. For, again, I'm offering a free one-on-one financial consultation po. Via Zoom po tayo. Let's do it by Zoom. Okay? Zoom po tayo. Okay, financial consultation kasi po GCQ, no? We have to follow the physical distancing kasi everyone's online right now. So, you may visit. Ito po yung aking big news. I have my own Facebook page. Okay, as a financial advisor, ito lupit to eh, aking Facebook page. Very unique name, you know. So, kindly visit my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/GreekAdvisor. O, di ba? Iba po yung Greek vlogger kasi vlogger side yun. Ito yung aking financial advisor page, no? Or please send me a private message. Go to my Facebook page right now. Please write it down, screenshot it, picture it, or you may contact me at my cell phone po. Okay, sa cell phone. My cell phone is always on. Okay? Contact me at my 0977-645-7696. Anytime po. Anytime. Wala akong pinipiling oras po, araw po. Kung kayo po ay libre, ma'am, today or tomorrow, sige po. Okay? Alright. So, that's it. No, that's it. O, diba? So, ayun pag solo pala, mabilis matapos ang live. Let's make it okay. But, again, thank you so much for everyone who watched. Ayan. Thank you kay, again may mga humabol pa na viewers. So mag-shout out. Habol-habol guys, may time pa naman. Papi Dave, do you have other viewers there? Papa-shout out? Pwede mag-shout out? Or greet, you know? Wala. Okay. Sige. So, again, thank you kay KZ, Joy Bailon Dalagan, ayan, JB De La Cruz, thank you. Sa mga viewers din, thank you. And kay Sir Jerry Bolante, thank you so much for tuning in right now. Okay. So, ayan guys, again, if you want to know more, if you want again a free one-on-one financial consultation with me, please visit my new Facebook page, www.facebook.com/GreekAdvisor. Okay, PM nyo po ako. Or you may actually message me as well to my personal Facebook page. It's Arceliana TJ. Okay, aking Facebook page, Arceliana TJ. Okay. So, again, ayan, sakto, 1 hour na. Sakto, diba? So, again, thank you for those watching. Abangan nyo po again, next Saturday, 2:30 p.m. po tayo. Sana po, but for confirmation naman with Papi Mike Dulce naman. No? So, we'll be talking about DC naman. Okay? So, kasi fandom, di ba? DC fandom last August 22nd, I believe. And then part 2 ng DC fandom sa August 13. Okay? So, thank you again. Thank you sa mga nanood. Thank you so much. Thank you as well to Papi David, my technical director. Again, after a few minutes, this live stream will have a replay on my Facebook page, as well to the Facebook page of Edge TV and AKTV and Red Dot Interactive. No? So, again, thank you so much for joining me sa solo flight ko today. But, next Saturday mo, may guest ulit naman ako, si Papi Mike Dulce, no? Okay, so that's all for now. This has been Greek Superhero, signing out. Bye-bye. Make more time.
Philippines. My name is Sushmita,
I'm Sam,
broadcasting live from Global TV Bollywood Studio, India.
live from Global TV London studio. You are watching Global TV Philippines.
I'm so excited to join you. Catch me soon on the Rapporteur News with
Isabel
Isabel Fernandez and Chino Hansel
Fillian.
Together, let's unite the universe with substance by bringing news you can trust. Until then.
See you.